Hey, I'm Kim, and today I'm going to show you how to make some French toast. For this recipe, you'll need vanilla, milk, cinnamon, eggs, sugar, and bread. Let's get started. First, we're going to make some batter that we're going to dip pieces of bread in. First, add 2 eggs, and then a couple shakes of cinnamon and nutmeg. Now I'm going to add half a cup of milk. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar and a drop of vanilla. Mix it all up. After that, spray your pan with cooking spray. Now I'm going to soak both sides of a piece of bread in the batter that we made. Add the batter bread onto the pan, and then wait a little bit and flip it. Keep on flipping it until it's evenly cooked on both sides. Repeat to make more, and then here we are. Now you could leave it like this, or I'm going to show you how to make a raspberry sauce to go on top. I start by crushing some raspberries with a mallet. I add the crushed raspberries into a pot and a little bit of sugar. Keep on stirring it over the heat until it becomes a thick consistency. Then turn off the heat and it should look something like this. Here we go. Oh wait, a raspberry on top. Looks delicious. It could go well with vanilla ice cream. Here we go. Okay. Toppings. Oh yeah, maybe some nutmeg too. Or syrup. Yum. Oh wait. Before I taste it, let me take a picture. Back to the kitchen. Picture time. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell us if you want more vlog-style videos like this. Also follow us on Instagram. Bye! Making cooking videos takes forever. At least it tasted good. Huh? Come in.
Hi Kim, it's Pete. Ooh, maybe she won't notice one. Hey! No! Put that down! I've been waiting hours for her to finish that video so I can have that. But you weren't invited in. I'm done waiting! Oh no.
Hey, what's going on in here?
I came to check how your baking video was going and, thought I'd sample a cupcake.
What about you, Icicle?
I came for the food.